How to link Google Drive to Notion. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this video you're going to learn how to link Google Drive to Notion.so, please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So basically, if you have created your account with your Google account, so I guess you already have your Google connection. I just have an example here in my team home that I can create like a new entry. So if I type /embed, there I'm gonna be able to select the Google Drive, and there I can paste a link here or connect directly my browse Google Drive. So connect to Google account, and I must select my account to click on allow. And that's it. I've connected Google Drive to my Notion, so I can select any document there and paste it there, okay? But in case you don't have that option yet, you can verify that in your left menu here in the option settings and members. And almost at the bottom, I have connections. So there you can check that there's a difference between this Google Drive Notion connected app and this with the check, okay? If you don't have that yet, you can click on browse connections in gallery, and there you're gonna find a lot of platforms and different softwares that you can connect with Notion.so. So here's Google Drive. You must click on add to Notion, and there you are. And in case you don't have this yet, you can click on show all, find again the Google Drive option. I don't know, I guess I don't have it here because I have this on top of it. But if I click on disconnect account, let me show you. There it is, Google Drive, and again connect, and it's gonna be the same process. Select the account and click on allow. And in that way, you're going to be able to make the first step that I showed you in the beginning of the video. And that's how you can link Google Drive to Notion. Thanks for watching.